Your smile might be the reason people don't take you seriously. Not your knowledge, not your talent, not your intentions, just your smile. And the craziest part is, nobody ever told you this. Because since childhood, you've heard the same advice again and again. Smile more, be friendly, look happy. But no one ever taught you how to smile in a way that actually builds respect, trust, and influence. So you ended up doing what most people do, smiling instantly, automatically, on cue, and without realizing it. You trained your smile to become a reflex, not a signal. There's something interesting you'll start noticing once you become aware of this. The people who smile the fastest are rarely the ones people take most seriously, and the people who don't rush their smile somehow feel more grounded, more confident, more in control. It's subtle, almost invisible, but your brain picks it up immediately, because humans are not just listening to your words, they are constantly reading your timing. Let me explain what I mean. Imagine you walk into a room and someone looks at you and immediately flashes a big smile, before even really seeing you, before even processing who you are. How does that feel? It might feel polite, but it doesn't feel personal. Now imagine something different. You walk in, someone looks at you. Just for a moment, there's a pause, a second of presence, and then their face slowly softens into a smile. That smile hits differently. It feels like they actually saw you, like that smile wasn't ready-made. It was created in that moment. And that tiny difference changes everything, because one feels like a habit, the other feels like a choice, and people trust what feels chosen. There was a woman who learned this in a way that completely transformed her life. In college, she was known as the happy one, always laughing, always smiling, the kind of energy that makes everyone comfortable instantly. But later, she stepped into a completely different world. Business, negotiations, leadership, a place where perception isn't just important, it's everything. Before her father passed away, he told her something that stayed with her forever. He didn't say, smile less. He didn't say, change your personality. He simply said, your smile is too quick. At first, it sounds strange. How can something like a smile be too quick? But when you really think about it, it makes sense. Because a quick smile often means it's not responding to anything. It's just there, ready for anyone, given to everyone. And when something is given so easily, it loses weight. So she made one small change. She didn't stop smiling. She didn't try to become serious or cold. She just slowed it down, just a fraction of a second. So instead of reacting instantly, she allowed herself to see the person first, to take them in, to let that moment exist. And then, her smile would appear, naturally, gradually, fully, and something incredible started happening. People began to feel that her smile was more genuine, more sincere, more intentional. Her presence felt stronger. Her words carried more weight. And the same person who was once seen as just nice started being seen as someone confident, credible, and trustworthy. Nothing about her personality changed. Only the timing did. This is what I call the flooding smile. And once you understand it, you'll start seeing it everywhere. The flooding smile is not about forcing anything. It's about delaying just enough to make your expression meaningful. The next time you meet someone, try this. Don't rush. Don't immediately react. Instead, look at them. Actually look. Take a second, not in an awkward way, but in a present way, as if you're giving your mind time to register. This is a real person in front of me. And then, let your smile come in slowly. Let it build. Let it reach your eyes. Let it feel like something that's happening, not something you're doing. That's the difference people feel. Because when your smile is delayed just a little, it stops being generic and starts becoming personal. And in today's world, where people are surrounded by fake expressions, forced politeness, and automatic behavior, genuine presence stands out more than ever. That tiny pause you create before smiling, it tells the other person something powerful without saying a word. It tells them, I see you. I'm here. This moment matters. And that's rare. A fast smile says, I do this with everyone. A slow smile says, this is for you. One feels like a social rule. The other feels like a human connection. And people don't remember rules. They remember how you made them feel. So next time you walk into a room or meet someone new, don't just think about smiling more. Think about smiling better. Control the timing. Feel the moment. Let your expression match your awareness. Because your smile is not just a facial movement. It's a signal. It's communication before communication. It's the first message you send before you even speak. And when you learn to control it, you don't just look more confident. You become more intentional, more aware, more powerful in the way you connect with people. And slowly, without forcing anything, people start responding to you differently. Not because you changed who you are, but because now, your presence feels real. And in a world full of instant reactions, real always wins.